We leaving to Paris. Let's say bye-bye, y'all.
Bye-bye, y'all.
Yeah, that's Cardi B jetting the kids to Paris, but not just any jet, a private jet with everything you could ever dream of.
Kulture, wavy.
The reason? Well, it's Cardi and Offset's daughter, Kulture's 6th birthday, which calls for a visit to the happiest place on earth, Disneyland Paris.
Yes. She's my little ducky.
The fun kicked off with a deluxe ride through the sky.
I get money, I'm a star.
Oh yes, honey. Kulture, wavy. Cheese.
Looks like the kids are having a blast. The proud mom is sharing videos of the little divas dancing, dining, and dolled up for Disney.
Hey, girls. And she's so cute. I love her. I love you.
I love you too.
She loves me.
Of course she does, especially when Disney princesses are involved. The mom of two sharing snaps of her eldest meeting Cinderella before the fam took a private ride on It's a Small World.
It's not beautiful. Oh my God.
It's creepy. I love everything about motherhood.
You want one wave?
No more candy, okay?
Cardi shares Kulture and Wave with Offset, who joined the kids on the family trip.
Smile for the camera.
With a dad like Offset, no surprise the kids are used to things being
Bad and bougie.
Kulture is no stranger to bougie birthdays.
Beautiful.
Ringing in her 4th birthday with an Under the Sea themed celebration.
Look at this cake. Flawless. The cakes get better every year.
And so do the gifts.
Wow.
Oh, snappity snap, snap.
Yeah, that's Dad giving Kulture a birthday Birkin when she turned 2. The Hermes handbag that runs a 5 or 6 figure price tag.
Okay, girl, see you, beautiful baby. It's your Birkin.
It's the same bag Kulture rocked at her pink and purple Trolls party last year when she turned 5.
You did that! Yes!
Where Mom and Dad were packing on the PDA. Happy 6th birthday, Kulture, a celebration truly fit for a princess.
Keto.